All right, so everybody, this video is going to entail Loope showing us around a few places that he has access to in the neighborhood. Okay, guys. So, Loope, do you care to explain to the people what you are about to show us?
This beautiful garden right here by the hotel.
A beautiful garden over here by the hotel. Okay, what is this? What are we looking at?
Yeah, this right here is the Choppy Rock. It's called the Choppy Rock Resort.
Choppy
Hotel.
Alright. Okay. We going in here. Okay. Stay tuned. Okay. Going in. Where? Where's the cat? Oh, I see. He is chilly. He cute.
Now this right here is nice.
Oh, honey, I heard somebody. Hell was that? Shit.
This right here is nice right there.
Oh, it's nice. It's nice. Could be a rat up there or some little snake. Shit, hold on. Hold on. Could be a monkey or something up there.
It looks like
Monkey?
a fucking pet lion. Like a fucking baby
Hey,
lion.
kitty. Hey, kitty.
It looks like a baby lion.
That shit, it could be a... Interesting.
Yeah, I like it right
Yeah.
now. But then, I think these used to be grilled.
What the fuck?
See, look.
There's a
Look inside
tiny
of it.
snails and shit.
Those some big ass snails. That's a grill, right?
I don't know. I guess.
Yeah, they about to clean this up. About to make this shit real. I like that right
Oh, it's nice, real pretty, real nice.
there. See, look.
Be monkeys.
They got mad.
I don't know what's up here and shit.
You got
I don't trust these trees, man. Stuff above you and stuff. Watch out now. Watch out now. Hey man, I ain't going back there, man. That looks too foreign back there. Yeah, I can see the grill from here, dear. I ain't going back there, shit. It's cool right here. That's a little cool. That's a little cool.
Right here is what I like. I like these shits right here.
They shit closed though.
I like these trees right here. You see these? Those are the ones I like.
These trees are beautiful. They are beautiful and huge. It was nice in here, Loope. It really was. I swear, it was nice in here.
Chill in here sometimes.
I don't blame you. It's nice.
Smoke and listen to music over there.
I don't blame you though. This is very, very peaceful. If you like bugs and shit,
Yo, you always
mosquitoes
talking about these bugs.
shit.
Look at that.
If you like bugs.
Mad different combinations. I like that.
You better put on some off. That's some. I mean, as long as you wear some good bug repellent, you'll be all right up in here. You know, it's nice. It's nice in here. It is peaceful. It looks peaceful.
Yeah, it is.
If you like nature and stuff, this is a good little spot to come kick it. It's a duck off too, cause all the trees and stuff hide you.
Yeah.
And the trees and stuff hide you in here. They really do. It's cute. Wait, don't leave me, man. Something jump out the tree on me. Shit. I'm hearing shit. Hurry up, let's. Man, I'm finna get from. I'm leaving.
Yeah, you can leave it.
Oh shit. Getting me lost in this maze. You trying to get me and shit. Okay, y'all.
See, look, North Beach Village boy. I'm the North Beach Village boy.
North
the
Beach
North
Village.
Beach Village boy.
Okay. All right, y'all. You say
I should tell him about my location. I gotta be secretive.
when you got. You gotta be secretive about
I
your
make
local.
too much money. Nah, we can go inside of there. That's cool, bro. They got like
Are
two
you
different
sure?
pools, yeah.
So which side we going to now? Which side we going to? Yeah, I know this motherfucker. I've been knowing where the fuck he going. Shit. You have me walking around this damn neighborhood. Shit, I don't care how nice it is. Shit. Hope the nigga know where he going. Dang. To be honest, this little pool right here, y'all, because I drive past here all the time, I be seeing too many motherfuckers in that pool. It look dingy. You know what? This spot right here, though, this spot right here look dingy. This spot look dingy, though, and dirty.
Are you checking out or checking in? Nah, you don't. Nah, you could go.
Oh, because it looks dingy and dirty. I mean, you gotta do all the fuss and all like that, honey. Shit. He tried to get motherfucking a 3rd degree with this little dingy ass place, honey. Little dirty ass floors and stuff. Trying to give us the 3rd degree over this little dingy ass. Honey, then you see the pool closed. Can't be all that, the pool closed. Little bitty little. Really? Come on out of there. Why they give you the 3rd degree? Wait, what he saying?
Nah, he ain't saying anything. He said I'm good. I just letting people know who I am. Like,
yeah, but
that's a nice ass pool, 5'9".
No, it ain't little dirt. If it was nice, then why that bitch closed? What you mean it ain't closed? That motherfucking sign right there say closed.
Alright, fuck it. The other one's probably not closed.
Let's go see. Come on. Lead the way. He giving us a hard time and stuff over. Come on, man. Dingy ass. Well, at least they got one open. Well, this one better, but I don't know what the fuck is that floating in there. Well, I don't know if this one any better. Got some plastic, a bag floating in it. Y'all, let me stop talking crazy. Let's go see. Never mind. I see the lizard right there. I was gonna see, let's go see what's back there. Do look pretty, but no, I see too many lizards back there, man. I'm cool. No, I want to go back there, man. It's too much wilderness, man. No, it's too much wilderness. I see all those lizards back there, man. You check it out back there.
That's what I'm saying.
Cool.
You want to check it out?
No. No.
Yeah, that's nice though. I didn't know it was like that. I like that one.
Well, I do like the pool, but it is.
You know what's crazy? I always saw this pool crowded. Like,
I always see the other one crowded. I can see why the other one closed though. But that's cute though. It's cute. Could be cleaner. But look at that. So floating right there. Look. What's up with that? They sure ain't clicking. And why he trying to give a person a hard time?
I ain't giving him a hard time.
I know him.
He ain't giving me a hard time at all.
It look
He
like.
don't speak English, you know.
Well, they should have him in there then. He can get his ass out of there. Shit. Put him in the video. Shit.
Yeah, I always saw this shit mad crowded. That's why I never came in here.
How you gonna have him in there? He don't even speak English. That don't even make no damn sense.
You see that sign right there? See, look.
I'm gonna go get the fuck out of here.
It says NBV loves you. You heard?
What?
It says NBV loves you on the hotel.
I don't give a damn shit. Oh, we off to the next place, yeah.
NBV loves you. Somebody loves me.
We're off to the next place.
Alright, what is up with the jacuzzi? That shit is clean.
Okay.
They just clean that shit up.
All right. So this is one of the other places and the final places that we're gonna come to. That's a beautiful door. I like that door. This looks like a resort of some sort. It's pink. It's cute. I like the way this building looks. It's a nice looking place. Okay, let's go look at it. So this is one pool, and there's people in it, so I ain't gonna put it on them too much. But it looks real nice. Looks real nice. Okay, y'all. Ooh. Cute. Cute, okay. Looks real nice. We gonna walk by. Oh Lord. Ooh, little outside bar and stuff. And grill is cute. Oh, it is nice. Hold on. I hear stuff. Shit, I don't want to be hearing squeaks and shit. Hold on. Hold on. Hold on. Oh.
That's a big ass tree though.
Beautiful. Beautiful. Wow, it is. It's amazing. Tree. Wow. Wow. That's beautiful. That is beautiful.
Yo, look at, yeah, I like that a lot.
It is pretty.
That's a coconut. You can drive it, right? You're not too high up. It is a nice one.
You like those trees, don't you? He's always talking about the trees here, guys. Yeah. This more like it.
Sometimes the leaves just be falling, but that don't mean it's dirty though.
Yeah. It's really nice.
Like, that's enough. That's more than enough.
It's really nice. Second pool here. It's nice. I like it. Yeah, you can tell we still in the same area because I can see this. Okay. I can see those buildings from my bedroom window. I can see those buildings back there from my bedroom window. So you can tell we're in the same area. And from his place. Go which way? Okay. It's nice in here though. I like it. Nice. I like that blue chair and whoever crib. Look at that crib. Hold on, let me look at these people's crib real quick. Oh. Oh, nice up in there. Oh, it's nice up in there. Let me get out these people. Let me get out these crib. Man, nice blue chairs and stuff in there. Oh, it is beautiful. This is nice. It's different now, but it's the same. It's pink on the outside and it's like this on the inside. It's like,
Yo, they got a spot called Wine Garden. That's pretty nice.
you know, I think sometimes that some of these places be apartments, and then sometimes some of them be resorts, because that crazy man Louis that lived across the street from me, that's how his place was. A certain section of the building was apartments and the other section was like a resort. And maybe this could be like that, because this is nice. I
Yeah,
really.
I don't be seeing a lot of people.
Yeah, it ain't nobody back here. And that's a nice blue chair right
I
there.
remember these chicks from Bahamas I met told me they were staying here. Like they were staying here.
Oh, ain't nobody in there. Yeah, that's nice. I think these are some.
What is that?
Look,
I don't want to.
check. Look, check and see. See if the door open. Check the door and see if it's open. Oh, okay. Let me get it. Check the door, y'all. Yeah.
This is like they give you some nice.
We better get the hell out of here.
Wow, what you scared of?
You checking people's doors and shit, boy. You ain't checking no damn body door. Don't listen to me, man. You can't listen to me. No, don't. I like a little white alligator. That's cute. That is cute. It's really cute in here. I have to say, I just like how it's pink right here and then, okay, white right there. And pink right here. They are separate buildings though. Look right there. They are separate. These are separate. Look, this the pink building right here and the pool and shit right here. And then it's the white building right here. They are separate.
It's the same thing.
No, it's not.
You sure?
It don't look like it. It's separate. Well, shit, I don't know. I heard.
Both connected.
Hold on, I hear something up in the trees. Let's go. Let's hit it. Okay, y'all. Okay, y'all. So we done because he got access to a lot of places, y'all, and it's finna get late. So we finna go do a Burger King Carbane, so we're done. 3 places was enough today. We up walking through the Garden of Eden with monkeys and
The apple, you ate the apple? Look at this right here. You gonna eat the apple?
no. Because I'm talking about we walking through the Garden of Eden.
Ooh.
But anyway, like, share, comment, and subscribe.
The mango?
Ooh, to the video, y'all.
That's nice. Yeah, so you already been in there.
Yeah, I remember going up in there. Okay, y'all.
Nah, I think that was the same building.
Stay tuned. Now we are literally right next to my place because I've been really curious about the place right next to mine. It's like a little villa, but it's attached to a mansion. Now this is right across the street, y'all. I can see this place from my place, and this is when y'all see them loud ass Paris. All those pretty mansions over there and then yachts. That's the intercoastal right there, guys. Okay, so I didn't know he had access to this place. Them motherfucking... Oh, them damn Paris is a trip.
Oh, nice Paris, man. That's beautiful.
Shit, they better go somewhere. Why you didn't tell me you had access to the building right next to mine? I never knew that. It's cute.
You a puzzle in here?
This.
What the fuck is that?
Hold on, let y'all see this. Wait a minute though. Look at how the pool looking though. What the? What's up with the pool?
They be mad lazy.
What the? No, I ain't talking about no damn leaves. What's
I
that?
said lazy.
Yeah. Oh. Really?
Nah, this ain't.
Whoa.
Let's check the other spot.
Come on.
Yeah, they bugging.
Whoa. Wow, yeah.
It's a nice setup. Look at this shit.
Yeah, it's a beautiful setup. You mean the mansion part back there, you mean?
This
Okay.
whole shit, too. Like, look at the view. Look at all the art.
These are like this. These are not apartments. This is like a resort.
But I don't know why they not.
Where the damn parrot at? Let's get the hell away. Let's go. Attack of the birds around this bitch. Okay, guys. Now, I was wrong. The place where we just left with the filthy pool, that was not the one next to me. The place where we are now, the place that has the mansion called the Terra, that is the place right next to me. My place is right here. That's my place. This is the place called the Terra. That's right next to mine. So it's kind of got like a mansion type of a vibe to it. Loope already in there. We already in there. But I can see what I can see from here. Let me turn the camera around here. I'm glad too, because I ain't got to go no further. It's nice though. I wish you would have let me know you had access to this pool, because this is the one right next to me. Okay. This, yeah, they pool look better. They pool look a lot better. Much better. Yeah, we just saw 2 ladies go over to that dirty pool, and they talking about that it's gonna be clean tomorrow and stuff like that. They had badges and stuff on. So, I don't know. This one looked like an old mansion that they converted. It's cool though. Loope got access to all these pools over here. More places, y'all. I just don't feel like going to no more places right now. So we finna go do something else. Stay tuned.